What's going on, everybody? It's Nicky Bobby here, and what I'm going to do today is show you how to repair cracks in your body on your RC car. Now, these are kind of expensive, to be honest, and so whenever you get a crack like this one, or like this crack over here, you want to repair that so that you can make this body last as long as possible, and then you don't have to pay for a new one, and you can save money that way. Now, what I'm going to do today is show you my favorite method on how to repair these. And not only is it going to repair it, it's going to make it super strong, it's going to keep this crack from spreading, which is really good, but it's also super easy to do. As a matter of fact, you could be out racing one day, you can hit a wall, you can crack your body, you can actually take it off the track, repair it real fast, and then get right back into racing. That's how easy it is to do. So this method is super easy, it works super well, and that's what we're going to do today. Let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so this is how we're going to fix up the body on our RC cars, and basically what this is called is a zip tie stitch. Now this is a variation of the original zip tie stitch, because usually you would have these zip ties cross for maximum strength, but for RC cars this is strong enough, this is just fine the way it is, and I've even got a little tape on there for added strength. But a cool thing about this that I wanted to note is this is actually a method that they use in real racing, like one-to-one size cars. And the reason why they use this is because it's a really quick and easy way to just stitch up a body panel. That way you can come into the pits, fix the body panel, and then just get right back out there racing. So, what you're going to need to do this is obviously a handful of zip ties, and you're going to need a drill bit to drill the holes. And then obviously the tape is optional, but I like to add a little bit, at least on the inside, just for a little extra strength. Alright, now that you know what to do, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and remove your body off of your car. Now, for me, all I'm going to do is remove this rear quarter panel, because that's the only spot with the crack, so that's all I'm going to do for this video. And once you've got that off, go ahead and just wipe it down with a cloth or a rag, just get any loose dirt off of there, and grab yourself some duct tape and some scissors. Now what I like to do first is put one piece of tape parallel to the crack to cover the majority of it. And then from there, I like to grab a second piece of tape and put it perpendicular to the crack for added strength. Alright, and then the next thing you're going to do is grab your zip ties and feed it through one end of the hole on the inside of the body, and then loop it back up through the other hole, like so. Then you can go ahead and grab your two ends and zip tie them together, just like that. And make sure it kind of gets snug. You don't have to have it super tight, but snug it up so to where the two ends of the crack really come together nicely. And then go ahead and repeat this process for all of the holes that you drilled on each side of the crack. Alright, once you're done with that, go ahead and grab some wire clippers and you can cut off all the excess. And now that you're done with that, you can go ahead and put that body panel back on and you're good to go. Alright guys, check this out. We've got our zip tie stitch on here, and that is super strong. I highly doubt that is going to break on the track. And the cool thing about this is not only is this an excellent fix, but it's super easy to do. Just zip ties and something to make the holes with. So if you're right next to the track and you're really in a pinch, you can do this right next to the track. It's an excellent trackside fix so that you can bring it into the pits, stitch it up, and then get out there and keep racing. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.